Good evening, friends, and warm welcome to our special demo presentation on SAP Cloud Platform Integration, popularly known as SAP CPI. Whether you are an aspiring student looking to launch a highly rewarding career in the cloud space or an administrator designing pathways to massive employment markets, this lecture is designed for you. Today, we will demystify what SAP CPI is and explore its massive global footprint. Analyzing job roles, look at real salary structure, and demonstrate how this single technology skill can fast track your entry into elite IT consulting. Before we talk about the integration, we must understand what we are integrating. So let's enter module 1, Enterprise Foundation. In the corporate IT landscape, companies don't just use simple spreadsheet to run their operations. They use massive complex software ecosystem called ERPs to manage billion-dollar supply chain. Thousands of employees and global finance ledgers. Let's look at the king of this space in our next slide, SAP. So, what exactly is SAP? It stands for Systems, Application, and Products in Data Processing. It is not just software, it is the absolute digital nerve system of the world's largest companies. Think of any topic, tire brand, Audi, Coca Cola, Apple, they all run on SAP. Inside SAP, we have specific pillars or modules. We have functional modules like for managing warehouse, SD for processing customer orders, and SuccessFactor for global HR. We also have technical modules like ABAP for building custom applications and CPI and BTP for deploying cloud operations. Here is the critical problem because a company has so many different systems, both inside SAP and outside SAP. How do they speak to each other? That is where integration becomes mandatory. So now we are entering in SAP CPI. Think of CPI as an intelligent, secure digital bridge. If S4HANA is the brain and Salesforce is a separate arm, then CPI is the nerve system. CPI is the nerve system connecting them. It is a cloud-based middleware, meaning it sits in the middle of different systems. If a customer places an order on a non-SAP system like Salesforce or Shopify, CPI securely catches that data in real time, translate it into a format SAP understand, execute local security handshakes, and securely updates the central SAP core database. It connects cloud platform to on-premise legacy system seamlessly. Why are we focusing on SAP CPI over their integration tools? First, Gartner has the recognized SAP integration suite as an absolute leader in the Magic Quadrant for integration platform as a service. For 6 consecutive years, Second, it's provide over 3,000 pre-packaged integration flows. In in traditional coding, connecting to systems takes month of the writing APIs. But with CPI, developer can select pre-built templates, configure the connection keys, and deploy within day. It offers unparalleled time to value, making it the top choice for global CIOs. Let's look at the market tragedy represented on this chart. Here you can see this. Over the last 5 years, enterprise IT has shifted rapidly from on-premise installations to cloud solutions. SAP is actively migrating thousands of IT global legacy customers to S4 HANA Cloud. Every single one of these migration projects require a dedicated team of integration consultants to reconnect their systems. This transition is driving a multi-decade demand wave for CPI professionals, ensuring massive job security and regular career progression. Under the hood, CPI is a modular suite running on SAP BTP. It is comprised of three core components. First, cloud integration engine, which process structural mapping and routing rules. Second is API management, which allows companies to build secure, rate limited gateways so external applications can safely extract data. And third one is open connector, which are pre configured hooks that let developers link instantly to 170 plus external applications like AWS and ServiceNow without needing complex API documentation. When you work in an enterprise project, you never build things directly in live environment. You work across a three tenants landscape. First one is development. This is our playground as developers. You will spend 80% of your time here designing or testing your logic. Then second one is quality. Once the development is completed, the integration flow is pushed to the quality environment where quality testing team run volume checks and load testing. And third one is production. This is holy holy grail. This this live system where real invoices, payments, and active customer deliveries flow. A single error here stop business operation, which is why you design in dev must be highly resilient. Then next slide is our day-to-day role in the CPA. What does a typical day looks like as an SAP CPI engineer? Your work will generally fall into three categories. First one is development. In development, designing new pipelines and iflows, organizing secure communication certificates, and writing custom map functions. Second one is enhancement, taking existing integrations which is already built and updating them. For example, updating a vendor tax mapping or changing API credentials. Then third one is support. In support, keeping systems running. You you will monitor systems health, dashboard, resolve message dropouts, and fix validation problems. Then in CPI development artifact, as a student entering this domain, what technical skill you will you learn? You will master in palette tools like splitter, filter, router to control the flow of data payloads. Then scripting. Basic Groovy scripting or Java scripting used when you need to perform advanced custom data manipulations and data mapping using XML to JSON structure or graphical drag and drop mappers. And here adapters also means why we use adapter. Configure the communication pipelines such as SOAP, REST, SFTP, and OData protocols. Then let's talk about the rewards because CPI is a highly specialized skill combining cloud middleware architecture and SAP core knowledge. It pays significantly higher than general IT development's role. As a fresher with practical project training, you can easily land package between 4.5 to 7 LPA in India. With just 3 to 6 years of experience, package routingly doubled to the 8 to 16 LPA range. If you reach lead or architecture level, the sky is the limit with the senior professionals commanding 18 to 35 lakhs per annum. So it is very high paying job. So finally, SAP CPI is one of the most stable, highly paying and future proof career path in IT today. So in this way, we have covered introduction of SAP CPI. Thank you.